Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will using some boolean function in Python. So the boolean function are called a proposition function or logical function. So what is the proposition logic function? So the proposition is simply a statement. Proposition logic study the way two statement can interact with each other. Okay, so it's produce a result in true and false statement. So we will return some proposition formula and some operation on them. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, I am going to want to set up some proportional variable. So I'll call p, q, and r equals to where's p, q, and r. Okay, so wheres are a function which take a list of string name those proposition variables. Okay, I have a string pqr and I have a function named wheres which is take a list of string as a name those proportional variables. Okay, so I have a string pqr. I want to see what is a pqr and it's a proposition. So just let's take p. It's a proposition. Q. It's a proposition and r. It's also a proposition. Okay, so there are a few things I might want to be able to do. Next I want to build some proposition formulas. For this and just write a formula first equals to formula first set p or q, p or q, and not p is implies q. So let's define it. Okay, just type formula first. Okay, you can see that p or q and not p implies q. Okay, so it's create a logical statement. And next we just say formula 2. We can also print this formula. So firstly we just print this. So just formula 1 dot print truth table. Print truth table. Okay, you can see that this is a truth table of this logical function. Next is formula which is the have a tautology. So I may want to ask the formula 1 is a tautology. So that's formula 1 is tautology. Okay, so let's verify. Okay, true. It means it is a tautology. And we had a couple of formulas. So first I'll set formula 2 equals to p and q, p and q, p and q implies r. And next formula 3 equals to p implies q implies r. So again I want to print the formula 2. Let's print this. So formula 2 dot print truth table and okay, you can see that truth table is printed and I have a truth and false values and 6 truth values and I have want to know this two formulas have equivalent to each other, formula 2 and formula 3. So for this I am just write formula 2 equals to formula 3. Okay, so it's true, it means it's a logically equivalent, and verify the actually statement. Okay, and next, have you noticed that we are using a different symbols, and obviously we can't type a symbols, but logical operation implies and certainty, not in Python, but it's produce a logical symbols, and meaning, and it's nothing, don't have any meaning in Python, but is the but I can override the Python logical operation like all and not, then is a normally a right shifted operation, but they will define the some logical. Okay, next we want to some more logical operations. So just for this, P and Q, write down this. You can see the proposition P and Q, P and P or Q. It's produce P or Q, not P. So I can have a not P, and I have some couple of more things. So for this I am just I can test as a topology, and I have a tested something a contradiction. So first I check some contradiction. So for this I am just write P and not P. Let's see in these two are in a contradiction or not. So for this is in contradiction. Simply write this and okay, you can, it's printed true, it means they both are in a contradiction. Next we can also verify, we can also set that formula 1 and 2 are false or equivalent or not. So for this, check this, formula 1 is equals to formula 2. It printed false, it means those function are not equivalent.